Say something. Come on. Maestra Inar. Central 1. Okay. Si kayo, Superintendent na Inar. So, nalapan niyo. Si kayo, si Achi, may akapatok-patok. Governor, okay? Si kayo, si ka, ati si ka. Support? Registered. That's good. But congratulations. I like that. Yeah. I'm happy for you. Okay? Yeah. Ikaw, doktora.
Plain housewife.
Doktora who?
No, plain housewife of the doctor.
With the doctor. Okay lang, yung ako yung nababaingan ta. Baka aray man bantera, baka kalikot ira si kayo, no? Kaya na nang dasukin. Ha? Oh, nang San Carlos siya. Wala kayo wala man pupusag di man da San Carlos City, Pangasinan Bulletin Board. Pamanso aray kintayo, kabaluyan. Nursing. Oh, balulaki ka ni anak ko. Oh, balulaki ka ni. Wala yung marikit ko, talura.
Balulaki ka ko no?
Duwara labat. Are you I'm sorry. Are you still single?
Yes.
Of course, you're still single. Okay. I said I have 2 girls, but they're okay. Finish your college first. Okay. Anyway,
That's the husband of the retired superintendent.
the doctor. Ano ang pangalan niyo? Doctor what? Dr. Cristito from Mabini Street. Diyan kayo ng graduate diyan, Pilipinas? O diyan? BMU is BMI, right? Oh, okay. Antoy kinatanay, antoy practice siya. UCSD? Oh, right now here in San Diego? Oh, okay. Alright, you guys. So, we have, okay, that's good. Salamat si kayo in share you si kami. Wadya kami at San Carlos City, Pangasinan kami amin. Malakay pandisa lagi. Ito po sikatan. On. Malakay duara, tamiyamay kayo. Oh, salamat. Antoy telephone number yo. Paano nakontak kayo?
Dora lang.
Oh, may Richard's Bakery channel to.
Ken. For number na yan.
Hindi na, alam ko lang ba, isulat ko lagi, iter Japano, tawad na kayo may awa. Okay, salamat sa inyo na Balbalaga. We are corner in Richard's Bakery, 8th Street and Plaza Boulevard, National City, California. Thank you.